Hello and welcome to the podcast where today I've got my sandals, my flip-flops, my thongs, if you will. It doesn't really matter what you call them. And I'm indoors, but I'm going to be interviewing this thunderstorm. Now, thunderstorm, you're certainly coming down hard today. What's the reason for this certain downpour, for this show of force? I think that I understand what it is you're trying to say here. That's interesting. When I watch the rain come down, it often comes down in like fluctuating waves. Like sometimes it's really heavy, and then it gets lighter again. Oh, yeah, it looks like you've decided to increase the tempo here. But why exactly is that? Why isn't it just one consistent show or one consistent exertion from you? Okay, so I've mentioned this being a show, being an exertion. What do you see it as? Is this performative? I know that you're fulfilling a function. You're providing water to plants. Plants need water. But you're also, there's just a lot of it, right? Like it can rain pretty casually, but you're not a very casual rain. Now, is there something about the conditions that you were raised in that or the how you see yourself in this capitalist society that give you the drive to be this way, to perform this way? Okay. All right. Well, you look like you're certainly busy at the moment as well, so I won't take up too much more of your time. There's just one final question for you. How do you feel about people such as myself being okay. Yeah, that's understood. Now let that be an important lesson when you're giving an interview. Respect the time and the privacy and the importance of who it is you are interviewing. Now, that's not to say that anyone is better than anyone else, but if people are using their time to accomplish what it is they want to, you aren't in a position to take that away from them. I hope that you can learn from my mistakes as an interviewer and overcome them. I'm very grateful to the Thunderstorm for giving me their time to to interview. And thank you very much for listening to this episode of Hello and Welcome to the Podcast. Leave a comment if you're watching on YouTube. Send me an email. I love getting those. Thank you for listening.